What's going on, everybody? Coach Chrispect, the wise guy right here on YouTube. I am headed to my Amazon hub locker to get my Amazon shipment. Never done it before, so I'm about to figure out where the hub is, go find my package, and then get out of here. All right, we're here at the locker. It's not as hard as I thought it would be to find. There we go. So we simply have to scan our barcode or touch to start. Enter in our barcode number. Scan. All right, here we go. 69880. All right. Ooh, there we go. Done. Let's see if we can enter it in again, just in case. 69880. Oh. If you don't grab your package and accidentally reclose the door, I don't know that you can get your package back because the code doesn't work. Let's try scanning the barcode. When I scan the barcode, it says the exact same thing. So make sure you guys grab your package. Don't accidentally close the door. I mean, the door spring's wide open, so that should not be an issue, but you're good to go. Hello, my name is Handy, Amazon.ca/locker. All right, guys, that was it. That is how you get your Amazon package from your Amazon locker. Hope that makes sense. Super easy to do. The hardest thing is to find the location of where it is.